Hello everyone, I am Hena and today I am going to be giving you a quick walkthrough to our platform greenbubble.io. So basically our platform greenbubble.io is a WhatsApp business API. And the most special thing about our platform that it is officially meta verified. Many platforms claim that they're officially meta verified, but they're not, and your WhatsApp number end up getting banned. But here you can be assured that you are working with a 100% safe platform and your number will not get banned. So before moving to the dashboard, I need to talk about a few things. One big advantage of Greenbubble compared to other platforms is that we charge 0% commission on WhatsApp conversation API fees. Other popular WhatsApp BSPs add 25 to 35% markup on top of what you pay to Meta. With Greenbubble, it's 0% markup. You pay directly to Meta, which saves you a lot of money. A lot of people who have been using these other platforms have recently migrated to Greenbubble and are saving a huge amount. So I have already logged in to the Greenbubble. I will just give you a quick walkthrough to the dashboard. So here the dashboard opens and you can see different Facebook summary, WhatsApp summary and Telegram summary, subscriber growth, subscriber weekly comparison, upcoming broadcast, subscriber summary, and different features. So let's move to the WhatsApp first. So here you get different options like connect account, bot managers, manage subscribers, broadcasting, webhook workflow, click ads, and e-commerce catalog. In this video we're going to be discussing all these. So in this video we are going to be discussing all these features. So let's first move to the connect account feature. We need to connect a WhatsApp business account over here, and don't forget to add your credit card details when you're logging in, as you pay directly to Meta, so your WhatsApp charges you directly. So here we can just simply click on the connect WhatsApp option, and we can just click any of the either like connect with catalog permission or connect without catalog permission. If you don't have a WhatsApp business account, you simply don't need to worry, as you can simply add your Facebook and your WhatsApp business will automatically be created over here. So let's move to the bot manager, which is the most interesting thing about Greenbubble. Here you can just create bot replies, AI agents, broadcast campaigns, chat widgets, sequence, input flow, etc. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you the bot reply. I'm going to be creating a bot reply flow. So basically here I'm creating a bot reply flow. For that I need to add a keyword. So basically after we enter the labels, title and keywords, these are basically steps taken by the bot when the keyword matches and when the labels are given. So for keyword we can simply add jeans, or I can just click on exact keyword match or string match whenever the customer asks for jeans or types jeans, then only the flow will start. But if I select on string match, whenever jeans is mentioned in any of the sentences, the flow will start working. For title, I can simply enter product, and for labels, we can enter jeans, tops, and prices, anything. Okay, and for sequences we need to create sequence differently the way we are creating bots. So yeah, we can just save it and your WhatsApp bot is ready. You can start working with your bot, and whenever the customer enters that keyword, then the flow starts. Like for example, on day one, bot will send different links to the genes present in the business. The bot simply tells more information about the genes without customer asking for the genes. That is completely the logic of the sequence. And after like 7 days, the the bot will send different offers like 20% off or 15% off on these jeans. Simply get an example: when we use different platforms as a user ourselves, we get different messages from different businesses, like they're giving us offers when we haven't even asked them. This is the bot flow. Here I will just open manage subscribers. Here we have a subscriber list and we can enter infinite number of subscribers over here, or we can just put our subscribers over here through a CSV file. So let's move to the e-commerce catalog. We can integrate and manage WhatsApp catalogs. We can also create different catalogs over here. We can just select a WhatsApp domination, digital domination, catalog ID and catalog name. It is that simple. If you move to the control panel, we can see integrations. We have the e-commerce integration, SMS responder integration, e-commerce integration, Google Sheet integration, AI training embedding, and different features. So basically, when we create a new e-commerce profile, we can enter the profile name over here, the store URL over here, and customer key and customer secret over here, and simply save that e-commerce profile and it will appear like here. We can add on to user permissions, user manager, and transactions. We can manage all the transactions over here. This is the most convenient way of running a online business. If we move to e-commerce catalog, once again, I want to tell you about the different features of our e-commerce catalog, that it includes Zapier integration, Pabbly, API of webhooks, onboarding and ticket support, social kinds and support too. It also includes Shopify, WooCommerce connectors, WhatsApp flows for native forms, and building pre-built templates with the variables. And this is the special thing about our platform Greenbubble. If I move to the Unibox, which is the live chat option, we see different chats over here. We can also see different automated chats over here, and it is very convenient to manage by a team, and every team member can access to all these features and keep a track on all these things and create different bots and different transactions and managing different things. Before wrapping up, let's know more about Green Bubble, which is essential. So here you can see various reviews of certain marketers and our customers who have trusted Green Bubble and have seen significant growth. So subscriptions are reasonable as you get a lot of features in just a few thousands. You can just get started with the most convenient and most trusted platform like Greenbubble right away, and you will be able to manage your business more efficiently, and that is the main purpose of Greenbubble. You can just start your 14-day free trial and see various features of Greenbubble. Our previous customers have seen different outcomes such as faster customer response, organized lead handling, automated follow ups, and scalable marketing. User cases can be like lead generation, sales follow ups, and customer support using e commerce promotions. This is it for the video. If you have any doubts, you can just ask in the comments below. Have a great day.